Now it's time to create a constructor for this animal class. So remember, the access modifier of your constructors always should be public so that other classes can actually use this constructor. So the name of your constructor must be the same as the name of the class animal, and you can specify some parameters for this constructor inside the parentheses, and then you just need to open and close this constructor by using these curly braces. An opening curly brace followed by a closing curly brace. Inside the parentheses of this constructor, I want to specify some parameters. So the first parameter is going to be for this name property, for this name actually instance variable. So here I can say string, so the data type of the first parameter is going to be string, and the name of the parameter is going to be name value, right? Comma. So as you can see, notice that I am actually using a name for the parameter that is not the same as the name of my properties or instance variables. I'll talk more about this later, but for now just choose a name that is not the same as the name of your instance variables or properties. And here for the second parameter, I want to actually provide a parameter for this age instance variable. So it is going to be age value, comma, and its data type is going to be integer. So now I want to specify the third parameter, which is going to be of type decimal, and the name is going to be power value, comma, and the fourth parameter is going to be actually again of type decimal, and the name is going to be speed value. So now let's go inside the curly braces of this constructor and let's implement this constructor. So now I can actually refer to the name of this property. So here I can say name, assignment operator, and I can assign this name value to this property. Name value, semicolon. So I get this name value as the argument, and we assign it this name. We assign this name value to this name property, right? So this constructor is going to be called whenever that the user wants to create an object or an instance of type animal. So the user must provide some values for these parameters. For example, the first argument is going to be name value. If the user pass a name value, which the user must actually provide a value for the name, that value is going to be assigned to this name property. And then here, don't worry about it if you don't understand it. When we actually use this class, when we use this constructor, it will make sense completely. For now, just type the codes as I do here. And now I just need to refer to the name of this age instance variable. So age assignment operator, and I want to assign this age value as the argument, right? We get this age value as the argument from this constructor, and we assign it to this age instance variable. So age value, semicolon. And we have this power assignment operator, and we assign power value to this power, semicolon. And finally, we have the speed assignment operator, and we assign the speed value to this speed variable, instance variable actually. So we actually implemented our constructor. So now it's time to provide actually some getters and setters for these instance variables. So the best way to provide a getter or a setter for these instance variables is to actually create a property for these instance variables. So that's enough for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to actually create, we're going to add those functionalities to this class. So thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions, please post the discussion in the course, and then I do my best to answer all of your questions.